welcome back to Creativity Foods. Welcome back to another one of my videos. As you guys have already read from the title of this video, today I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what new appliance I got for my kitchen, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Like I mentioned, I got a new appliance for my kitchen and I'm very excited because I have been wanting one of these for the longest because I'm trying to go down this new healthy road and I love to drink juice. And let me just show you what I got before I spill the tea. Let me just show you. Okay, so I got me a juicer. I'm so excited. So like I was saying before, I've been wanting a juicer because I want to stop drinking like processed juice with like all them added sugars and all of that stuff. So I want to like make my own juice, right? And I'm the type of person, like I love fruits, but I'm not gonna sit down and eat like fruits. Like I will, but it's just rare. So for me, it's like I love smoothies because I love ice, so like, you know. And then I'm like, oh, like I wouldn't sit down and eat a whole kiwi. Like I would prefer to drink drink kiwi juice. You know what I mean? So anyways, I decided that I was gonna get myself a juicer, and I'm so excited because who wouldn't be excited to juice stuff? Like that is so fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the juicer and see, you know, what's it come with and all of that stuff. I will also show you guys how it works. I'm very excited. And I also bought, let me show you how dedicated and serious I am about this juicer business, right? I don't know if you can see it, but I bought bottles. I bought bottles to put my juice in. This is how serious I am, guys. So anyways, let's get unboxing. Let's get to unboxing. Of course, I have my opener, my box opener. Robert, what are you doing? Why are you in the kitchen? Why are you out the kitchen? Get out. Okay. Ta-da! So the first thing is the manual. Bam! This is so exciting. Like, oh, I'm so ready. Okay. All right. Cool. I'm too short. Okay. Rover, help me. Ooh. That's it. I'll put this over here. This is a little brush. It's a brush. So they give you a brush to clean it. That's so cool. Oh, that's so thoughtful. It folds and stuff. Okay, so them have a bag of cardboard and tape on there. Obviously it's to protect it while it's in store, you know, and getting to the store. They don't want it to break and all that stuff. So here's some of that tape on cardboard. Alright, so common sense is telling me that this goes like that. Yeah, this part goes over here. Now this is very small, right? So imagine how long it will take to make like a whole gallon, right? So the girl was thinking ahead of... Bro, we can't go outside right now. I'm sorry, Pumpkin. We have to wait. So like I was saying, this is very small, right? So imagine like this can't make enough juice, right? So I got one of these to help with the process. So while it's juicing, I'm just gonna pour it in here, and yeah, because this is way too small. So that's that. We'll go outside after the video. So they have a little lever thing right here. You pull it up, and that's how. And there's one on the other side as well. Pull it up, and that's how you get this off. In here. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you guys, like, use it on camera. So I'm gonna take a second, rinse this out, wash it, make sure everything clean, and then might juice some apples or oranges. We'll see. So stay tuned, we're not done yet, but this is what it looks like. Let me get all this stuff out the way. This is what it looks like. It's very, very cute. No, a cutesy. This is what it looks like. Cool. So let me see if there's anything I need to know before I'm gonna start juice. So I can see. Oh! So I'm guessing you put the fruits in here, you close this down, the trash goes over here, and then the juice comes out over here. So smart. I am smart. And it goes into warranty and all that stuff. So I need to know all of that. So I'm going to rinse everything out, and we're gonna get some oranges and see how this bad boy works. So stay tuned, guys. So right now, just 20. So, and I have my oranges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel like 2 or 3. Because they're small. They're really small. So. So what I was looking at before, so it has an off, low, and high setting. I'm gonna go with low. Okay. There goes nothing, guys. What? That was low? Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so I think the smartest thing to do is to put it in first and then cover it. You see, when I'm not used to good things, just not used to good things. And then I'm gonna put it on low. So excited. I'm about to be juicing everything. I'm about to be juicing. Hello. I'm about to be juicing everything, guys. This is nice. This is nice. Oh. Be juicing everything. Okay. Got my glass. Ooh, this is thick. Okay. First glass of orange juice, sharing it with you guys. So let's see. It's giving organic. It's giving not processed. It's giving no sugar added. Wow. It's giving wonderful. It's very tasty and it's thick. It's thicker than orange juice that you would get at the store. So if you would like, you can strain it, but there's no pulp in there. It's definitely giving vitamin C. Definitely. I 100% recommend getting a juicer, buying all the fruits that you like and making your own juice, because all of that stuff that's in the supermarket that's processed and all that added sugar, you don't need it. Because when I tell you, this don't need no sugar. And yes, there's organic juices, but why not just do it yourself? You know, buy your fruits and juice it yourself. This is bomb. Like, I don't think I'll ever buy juice at the store again. It's so good. So cheers, guys. As you can see, I can't stop drinking. It's amazing. But there you have it, guys, the juicer. I showed you how it worked. Like I said, it has an off, low, and high setting. This is the trash filter waste bucket. You put your fruits in here. Don't do like me. Put the fruits in, put this on top of the fruits, right? So essentially what you're gonna do is use this to force the fruits down, so it's juicing it. And so once you put the fruits in, put this on top of it, turn it to the settings that you want, and then watch the miracle happens. Juice come out here and the trash goes in here. It's very good. And like I said, this might be too small for you. Just get you a bigger jug And yeah, it's very, very convenient. I really recommend it. And you know, you might be thinking, oh, it's gonna be so hard to clean. They give you a brush to clean it, so it's like, why not? And it's easy to assemble. So there you have it, guys. Unbox with me, Hamilton Beach juicer. 100% recommend. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but let me look it up right now and tell you guys the price of it. Walmart website, Hamilton Beach Easy Clean Juicer Extractor 800 watts. It's $59.98 right now. So yeah, get your juicer at Walmart. I'm pretty sure Target has it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited. Rover, give me 2 minutes. I am so excited. I bought a whole bunch of fruits, which will probably be my next video haul. I bought a whole bunch of fruits, and I'm going to just go in and mix different combinations together and juice, and have juice, you know, make my own juice instead of buying juice from a store. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Let me show you this. So this is the thickness I was talking about. It's very thick, very thick. Ever want to be a part of the video? Baba, say hi to the people. Hi, Pumpkin. Say hi. He is so all he interested is in the food up here.